Hi guys, this is Anil Bishoy and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, as you people might be aware that the whole world is going through a tough phase, that is the corona pandemic crisis. This particular thing has shaken the world, and I am personally very much sure that in upcoming days, whether it is UPSC or state civil services examination, there will be a question related to this particular crisis. Not only that, they may also go to ask a essay on corona crisis, because they want future bureaucrats to be very thinking and solution oriented bureaucrats. And if you people want to be a future bureaucrat, you need to keep your thinking hat on every single situation. Be observing, be always having a solution ready for all kind of a crisis whichever might come in your future job appointments. So in order to help you and empower you about this particular corona crisis, I will give you many questions related to corona which are very important, and it will help you to go in for a essay writing. If you will answer all these questions, it will not only help you in essay writing of 250 to 300 mark essay, but also you will be empowered to write a 10 mark question or even 10 to 30 marks question, maybe 2 or 3 questions related to this, and in general studies paper. So I will give you certain tidbits, and in the end of the video, in the comment section, you have to give me which are in this particular questions which are very important, on which you want a video on. I will make a video on that particular topic and we will clearly discussing. While telling you the question, I will also give you some tidbits in which lines you can think on this particular question. So let's start today's discussion about corona pandemic. And friends, as we know that corona crisis has totally impacted the whole world. We will deal with, I have discovered, personally formulated 34 questions. You can add few more also in this particular question. But from my side, I have made 34 questions and we will discuss. Corona impact on world politics. In world politics, how corona has impacted, how there is a, you can say, a war of words is going on between the number 1 economy in the world, USA, as well as number 2 economy in the world, China. How these two economies are fighting over corona, who is to blame and how. This you can write, even you can write about how there is a global movement against China in world politics, and how the impact of USA is coming down because of mishandling of corona, and the world is heading towards a multipolar world. You can compile this particular thing in world of politics. Corona impact on global economy. It is going to be a very important question. The global economy has been shaken like never before. Many economists also feel that this particular corona pandemic has shaken the global economy even harder than it was there in 1930 Great Depression. Many job losses, even in the United States of America, people are queuing up for food. And forget about India, where many people have lost their jobs, and there are many factories which are being on the verge of closure. So you can include all the data and statistics and compile your answer for the corona impact on global economy. Corona impact on global health sector. it is very important, because previously India as a country was spending very less on health sector, and we know we even in the developed countries like UK are facing serious trouble, which they spend around 9% of their GDP in health sector, but they are still short of hospital beds. Not only that, ventilators and other devices, the PPE suit, they have to import from China. How the health sector is being totally shaken, and even countries like United States, they are lacking the testing kits. So this is what it has, with all the loopholes in the health sector came because of corona pandemic has totally destroyed the even the developed nations, which are the traditionally higher spenders of in the health sector. Corona impact on global society. It is very important. Corona impact on global society, especially the elderly aged people. Their elderly people are not being taken care of by some social sector initiative or some social sector policy making, because corona has impacted the elderly people as well as the young people, because whose immunity is not up to the mark, and this is how the society has changed. People have trust of people among others have taken a beating in corona crisis, and how it is impacting the social structure of the world. That is, people previously working in other areas, they are being driven out by thinking that he might be a corona suspect. So these are the things which you can write in this thing, or you can more elaborately speak. Corona impact on environment. It is one of the best. I would say that corona, because of corona there is global shutdown, lockdown, and because of this lockdown the pollution levels have come down drastically throughout the world. Not only in India, where Delhi was always being notorious for its polluted environment, currently Delhi's pollution the level has come down to satisfactory level. So you can imagine, which the global humanity couldn't have achieved for last so many IPCC, International Panel on Climate Change, and all these United Nations environmental conferences. The corona pandemic has helped the environment to heal. Even the ozone layer is being healed. Some research are being projecting this. Not only that, even all the animals, and you might have seen they have come out in road. That shows the kind of a impact which has created, and the freedom they are enjoying. Previously all the wild animals, they were in a state of fear because of humans, and it has changed, and you can write that in environment. Corona impact on international relation. Corona impact on international relation is very important, because how the international relation will drastically change or take a geometrically opposite direction post corona. It is going to be very important, because some nations have lack of trust on China and Chinese products, which are the traditional products of corona of China. They were dependent on, but because of this particular pandemic, the international, all the countries are coming together to formulate independent policies to depending upon situation. Then corona impact on education sector. Education sector has taken the beating as well as some upside in other side. One is the face-to-face education, like school, colleges. They have to maintain the exam, even they have to conduct examinations, and they have to clearly make social distancing norms implemented at the ground level. That is a very big challenge for all those less educated teachers and the other education staff in the village as well as some cities also. And in other online education system, it has taken very high, many online education things has taken very, you can say, a upward trend. Then you can write on this Corona impact on public policy making. Corona impact on public policy making is very important. Post-corona crisis, there will be certain changes in public policy making. Especially the government might focus on dealing pandemics like corona, how to deal if it comes. It may also be included in disaster management plan of various governments. Government can also spend more on health sector, and that will help the lowest, the economically weaker sections. You can write everything on policy making. Corona impact on national and global migration. That is also important. What happened? Corona was started in Wuhan, and it spread to all across the world because of globalization. People from one area went and spread the corona in other parts of the country, as well as the other parts of the world, because there is a migration, and this migration will definitely impacted the spreading of corona. And in future also, the government will think to make a hospital kind of a arrangement near all airports, so that if they find this kind of a pandemic in future, they can definitely isolate all those people who have migrated from very danger areas to the safest areas. So in future, global migration will be a very big issue. This corona has impacted. Corona impact on travel, tourism and hospitality sector. Corona has impacted very heavily and hardest on travel, tourism and hospitality sector. All the hotel chains, they are totally, even in the verge of closure. They are not having that much of a, even you can give the examples of companies like Oyo, who are doing furloughs as well as giving pay cuts to their employees. So even the hospitality sector and tourism sector will require at least 2 to 3 years to revive. You can say that. Then corona impact on agriculture sector. Corona impact on agriculture sector is very important, because corona has impacted the travel, especially the transportation sector, and all those farmers who produced some items, they were unable to get the due price of their products, because they were unable to take their products from their place to the nearest market and sell it in the right price. So their economic condition has worsened, and they need government support in order to survive in this particular crisis. You can include that in agriculture sector. Corona impact on job sector. Corona impact on job sector is totally massive. There is huge loss. There is CMI report and CII report. CII report says there will be around 30 crore job losses, and the CMI report says India has lost more than 12 to 14 crore of jobs. So how the job crisis can be solved? You can include those particular things in this particular thing. Corona impact on human resources. Corona's impact on human resources in various things. You can write especially from the young, as well as from the middle-aged people, as well as in the old people. How corona has impacted humans in the young age population, the middle-aged, working age population, starting from 16 years to 59 years or 64 years. This is the middle age, working age population as well as the old age population. So how the corona has impacted badly to this particular human resources, you have to write corona impact on economic weaker sections. Economic weaker sections are the hardest hit because of the job loss, and even there is a lack of good public distribution system by the governments. The corona has impacted economic weaker sections badly, though there are various government initiatives to make them stay at their places where they are working, just like metro cities like Mumbai and Delhi. But many of the economic weaker sections, they are not getting the benefits as being declared by the governments. The governments are declaring that we are giving this, we are giving that, but on the ground they are not getting this. So because of this, you can write about this particular thing on economic weaker section. Corona impact on corporate world over. The corporates have also been impacted because of corona. They have, because of the economic downward trend, they have cut down on their workforce, as well as they have cut down in the wages. The world wages has gone down, and the corporates have started thinking in other ways of getting their employees work. Even in the lockdown condition, homework, work from home. This is the innovative concept which are developed by the corporates to help them to survive in this particular difficult situation. You can include that in the corporate world. Corona impact on capitalist class. Corona impact on the capitalist class. Because of this corona crisis, the economy has taken the downward trend, and the capitalist class are not feeling to invest in the new projects. They might go for the stock exchange mutual fund where the markets are on the lower side, hoping that when the market will go up, they can gain the benefit. But on the project side, on starting a project or investment cycle has taken a beating. So capitalist class, the global investment is coming down, as the IMF as well as the World Bank is suggesting that investment and the economy, revival of the economy are the prime importance of anything. Then corona impact on real estate sector. Real estate sector has taken a beating because of this corona crisis. Because of lockdown, people in the construction business, they are not getting the workers, as well as the previously pending, all the pending projects, they are not getting the approval, because people have to work in closed conditions, and they were not sure, even the government authorities are not sure whether all the construction workers will follow the guidelines promulgated by health sector or Ministry of Home Affairs in dealing with this particular thing. Then corona impact on human behavioral change. That is a very, very important aspect. Human behavior has turned a drastic change in post-corona crisis, and people have started using masks, face masks, hand gloves, and washing the hand, which was not previously done in the before corona crisis. So even during corona crisis, whosoever died, the government restriction came into place, and only few of their relatives went for the last rites. So the burial rites and many of the other things, like their buying attitude also changed. You can see, you can write it in the behavior. You can innovate more. Corona is a biological weapon. Some of the defense experts also feel that corona is being used as a biological weapon to enhance a particular country's impact on the world. We do not know whether it is true or false, but corona and biological weapons need to be banned by the whole world, because the crisis of corona has shaken the humanity like never before, and the United Nations and all the nations in the world over, they have to take a united stand. Previously only nuclear weapons and chemical weapons were taking maximum space, and people were not thinking biological weapons. Even biological weapons are becoming more deadlier. There will not be any humanity if this kind of a biological weapons will be spread in the world, because you cannot have control over air as well as water. If air gets polluted, it will cross over the border and it can make other people die. So the United Nations and all the nations in the world have to take a united stand to ban all kind of a biological weapons. And I will not be surprised in the upcoming years there will be a united stand against biological weapons and ban all kind of a research practices. Even we came to know that Wuhan laboratory is having more than 15,000 viruses. I can only imagine a single coronavirus has done so much of a harm to the world. What will happen if there are 1500 viruses? Globalization as a ban in the wake of recent corona crisis. It's a very important question you can write. The globalization. Because of globalization, people from one place, they have traveled to other places and spread the corona. And there are different practices which are being followed. Because of this globalization, people have spread from the disease from one place and to other parts of the world. And that is how the globalization is a ban. You can justify this by saying that as we are getting into a smaller world, the diseases or viruses from one area are spreading very fast to the other parts of the world, and they are impacting the whole world. Then, is 2020 going 1930 Great Depression way? It can also be a question. Because of this corona crisis, the world economy has taken downfall, and this particular downfall is even harder than the Great Depression of 1930s. So the corona crisis, how the job losses has happened, travel and tourism industry has taken the beating, how agriculture has taken the beating, how the government is not spending that much on because of lack of tax collections, and how the corporates are not spending, and there is a lack of demand in the economy, and this lack of demand is again pulling the whole cart again downward trend. You can also write about this particular thing by including more statistics and data. Then critically examine the role of WHO in the wake of corona pandemic. Critically examine the WHO, World Health Organization. World Health Organization, America says that it is a you can say the helper of China, and WHO felt that it is not a pandemic previously, and it discovered lately. By the time it discovered that it's a pandemic, the whole world was in a total destruction time. So you can write about how WHO failed, how to assess the gravity of the situation, and how WHO could have managed it well by providing all the information related to corona to other member nations. Then WHO is a failed organization, which we have discussed how it has failed. It's a successful organization. You can also write how WHO, even if it has happened, how WHO has informed other nations to take precautionary measures. Otherwise, the pandemic would have been even larger. Had WHO not alerted other nations and made them to take some precautionary measures, the particular corona crisis could have even harder. You can include this kind of a points in this particular thing. Role of China in corona crisis. Role of China in corona crisis is a very important question you might get. that role of China, how China could have prevented all the airlines, they could have contained the corona in Wuhan, in Hubei province itself. They couldn't have allowed people migration to other parts of the world and take corona with them and this thing, and how the China has supplied PPE suits, how China has increased its production about PPE suit and ventilators and all, and started exporting to all the nations having corona crisis. The role of China in corona crisis is very important. Helplessness of developed world in pandemics like corona. You have seen the helplessness of America, one of the most superpowers for last several decades, and it is totally helpless in front of corona. You can see lakhs of more than 13 to 14 lakh of people are being affected, and more than 60 to 70,000 people have already died. And not only in America but all the developed nations just like UK, France, Italy, Germany, Spain, this kind of all these the developed nations are being totally shaken, and their health sector has taken the entire beating of this corona crisis. So this is a very very important question, you can write about it. Then multipolar world post corona crisis. The world is going to get multipolar. There will not be a single power domination or a two power bipolar world. Because of this particular corona crisis, the American economy has came down very hard, and the lack of trust in China and Chinese product will stop other countries from buying and dealing with China. So other economies will take this as an opportunity and capitalize, and they can produce more product to sell in the world and enhance their economic potential, and there will be a multipolar world in the coming days that we will going to see. Then post corona crisis, then opportunities for India post corona crisis. Opportunities for India, Indian health, especially the chloroquine. The America has put pressure on India to sell chloroquine, hydrochloroquine, that particular thing to America. If India can also be a production hub, India can sell maximum its medicine related items to the world. Because of this crisis, China's trust on China and Chinese products has come down. India should take it as an opportunity, means attracting maximum investment which were directed to China to India, and enhance our capability to match the Chinese level of manufacturing in all products. That will help India and Indian economy to grow faster, and that's how India can also become a developed economy if we will capitalize this particular as an opportunity. Then how lack of trust of China and Chinese products will help India. We have discussed that how India can attract more investment to India, and India can enhance its manufacturing capability and means sell its products in the whole world, and how India can be a better economically stable. How to tackle future pandemics. It is very important. Handling future pandemics will not be the job of a single nation. It has to be a collaborative effort. United Nations has to step in. The expertise of WHO is definitely needed, and all the nations, they have to make a common policy that if a single pandemic or even any kind of a disease is being discovered, then they have to report to other nations, they have to alert other nations, so that this particular disease or virus shouldn't get spread in other countries. There has to be a collaborative effort, there has to be a detailed laid down plan, SOP, out of which the pandemic can be managed really well. Then mitigation measures against corona. How mitigation measures, how to deal with corona, and how we can help others to minimize the death rate as well as maximize our recovery rate, and how we can totally finish corona from earth and totally make it totally a non-existing disease. How the government policy as well as public stakeholders, all the stakeholders involvement will minimize the corona's destruction. Then corona as a boon for the whole world. Corona is a boon, as we have discussed in environment, how the corona has helped the whole environment to heal itself. So you can write in that particular perspective. Corona is a global unifier. Though the corona has increased tension between the number one and number two, but there is global unity against this kind of a pandemic, because every nation is trying to help each other. If somebody has discovered a vaccine, they will produce it in a mass scale and they will sell it to other nations, as India has shown that India has exported hydrochloroquine to other parts of the world, as it is showing the global solidarity against pandemics like corona. And every country is in a race of creating a vaccine, or even the other kind of a things or medicine against corona, and other nations are waiting for any kind of a vaccine made anywhere in the world. So these were the very important aspects which I personally found is very important from civil services perspective. If you will write on all this, you will definitely be capable of writing an essay on corona crisis in the world. And if you find any of the particular question is very important, let me know in the comment section in which particular question I will deal extensively. I have given you simple idea on which you have to write your answer. And if you find that this is only you are unable to formulate answers, let me know in the comment section which are the questions which you find very important, need to be dealt extensively. I will make videos on those particular questions. So thank you very much for watching this particular thing, and do share with your friends who are preparing for civil services. It is going to be a very important aspect of preparation. So Saran ma'am, my humble request to you, if you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Thank you very much.